All right, so we've essentially all seen, how exactly our IDEs work, how we can run Java applications in our IDEs, hello world, it prints hello world, that's pretty simple. But what exactly happens under the hood? I mean, there's got to be more to, a programming language than just running it in our IDE. How do you make an IDE, sort of? Well, that's what we're going to be answering today. All right, so Java, like any really programming language, essentially just a program that translates our text that we write in the programming language to low-level machine code, or translates it to another language, which is then translated down to machine code, which our processor can actually read. And our processor reads machine code based on built-in architectures for commands that it has, okay? And so we can actually call this manually. So we don't necessarily have to use our IDE. So here we have our hello world.java file. Let's go ahead and show it in System Explorer. So this is just the file itself. Now this is just a plain text file with the .java extension. So there's nothing magical about this file. It's just text, okay? And so now we can actually run this manually using our terminal. So let's go and open that up. All right, let's go to System Explorer here. Let's do terminal. There we go. Okay, now we need to cd into this src folder here where that contains our Java file. Let's go ahead and drag that in. There we go. And that's just the path of our src folder to it. All right, there we go. So now that we've cd'd into it, we actually need to compile, or actually no, in this case, I guess that would be, compile this Java file here. So to do that, we just do javac or java compile, hello world.java. All right, and there we go. And now we get this hello world.class file. And then we can actually run that hello world.class file by using java hello world. And there we go. As you can see, it prints hello world to our console. So let me make that a little bit bigger. There we go. So that's essentially how we can compile and run Java applications from our command line. And that's pretty much what our IDE does under the hood. I hope you enjoyed this Java tutorial. If you learned something new, if you, found this interesting, be sure to leave a like and a comment. If you have any questions as well, you can leave a comment. I answer all comments, no matter what. And yeah, without further ado then, I'll see you next time. Until soon.